Watch out. Yeah, it's a spot. There we go. On the one-piece rat. First fish. All right, morning YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Jelly Fishing. I'm your host, James Ellington, and today we are doing some fall fishing on Collins Lake. Collins Lake is a small body of water, a little bit west of Bullard's Bar. It's about 60 miles away from Sacramento, so it's probably going to take us a little bit over an hour to get there. Collins Lake is a new lake to the channel, but not a new lake to me. I've been there before. I caught my PB spotted bass there. I'm excited. It's a new place. Haven't been there. Hopefully it's really good. They have really big ice cream cones and really big bass. The weather today, we got a low of 61, a high of 73. So we definitely have changing conditions. I'm really curious how that's going to play out. Is it going to be a topwater day? Is it going to be a underspin day? Is it going to be an Alabama rig day? Is it going to be a whatever day? My focus today is going to be trying to find cover, most importantly. There's going to be a whole lot of water out there that is do nothing bottom. And I want to figure out if they're on that or if they're on the standing trees or brush piles or riprap, or are they on the dam? Are they on humps? What are they doing? Are they following the bait back into the creek? Oh, if you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe right down there. Please subscribe. We are doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We got to get 1,000 subscribers by October 31st so I can give away Costa Del Mar Rincon sunglasses. Costa Del Mar Rincon sunglasses are probably the best sunglasses out there. They're $300. If you want a chance to win some Costa Del Mar Rincons, then please hit the subscribe button. Please like the video and stay tuned. Hopefully we get to 1,000 before October 31st. Also, I'm going to be giving away a Sack Pig Mischief one piece go. Why? Because he just dropped it. And I think it's one of the best baits out there. So I'm going to give it to you guys also. You guys got to let me know, though, in the comments if you guys want it to be an all or nothing giveaway, or if you guys want me to give out a first place and a second place. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to do with that. That's it for the housekeeping stuff. Let's get on the road. We got about an hour and 10-minute drive. Let's get to Collins Lake and go catch them. There we go. Day use. Lock me in. Let's go fishing.
It hit me funny because I just saw him with a sign out there, like he's forming a picket line. It just hit me. It hit me funny because
somebody was throwing rattle trap. See if they'll come up. There's the rain. Oh, got one on the one piece. On the one piece. On the one piece. Spot. Be a spot. Be a spot. Yeah, it's a spot. There we go. On the one-piece rat. Oh, spy versus spy. Strikes first blood. Oh, yeah, buddy. There we go. First fish. Spot. Shallow water. Sack pig. Mischief. One piece go. It took 10 minutes. Not even. Third cast, fourth cast. So the fish are shallow, or maybe there are fish shallow. No, this dude wasn't going nowhere. Well, if you needed a sign to go get the Mischief one piece or subscribe, there it is. Keeper, spotted bass on the Mischief, sack pig, Mischief one piece go. There we go. First fish. Smells great. Oh. See if there's more fish out here. Because that is not clearing up. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's another one. Another one on the Mischief. Oh yeah. They eat rats. They eat rats at Collins Lake. Fish number 2 on the sack pig. Oh yeah. Let's cover water. That is what we do. Cancel. Oh, there's 15 minutes. 8:40. No bites on this. Go back to something. Either change colors, go back to something a little bit more subtle. We're definitely in that bite window, so hopefully this ain't it. There we go. There's another one. All right, so they want top water. We got that. Oh, good. Shook off. Number 3. Point. Lake is definitely smaller with less water. My favor. Hopefully they're more concentrated. And I'm not seeing too many fish out deeper. Even though the water temp's 72. Right now I'm seeing great conditions for moving baits, top water, reaction stuff. They're not jumping for joy for the plopper. The choppo. All right, give this 15 minutes. Can't get bit on the Mr. Rat. Out. Bounce somewhere else. About to say, if that's lightning, oh fuck, we are screwed. Do we fish the rocky banks that are everywhere? And then start slowing down? Throw a darter head, throw a drop shot, throw a tube, throw a jig again, or do we cover water in the morning, see if we can't get a topwater bite, bounce points. I see another point over there too. Bounce some points and cover some water, see if they're suspended in the backs of coves. I'm just not seeing much for these fish to relate to. Figured out though. Figured out. 3 fish so far. fact that I'm getting no bites is not a lie. It's a tell. The bass are speaking. They're speaking when they're not speaking. Oh, he missed it. Dadgummit. Oh no, he still got it. He still got it. Little though. Chopo bass. Chopo spotted bass. You're gonna try to end me, aren't you? Not today, buddy. Not today. All right. Fish number 4. Definitely not a keeper, but fish number 4. So if they're on this bank, or at least there are fish around. So the reason I'm setting up super shallow is because the wind is blowing to this bank. I don't need to set up 30 feet off the bank to cast in the least natural way to present my lure possible. So I'm going to keep casting from the bank. Just cruise down the bank. Time for Mr. Spinnerbug. Ain't no structure in the water. Just rocks. Whole lot of rocks. I'm in 6, but I think that one fish followed it. Clear skies. No more rain. Lord blesseth. Oh, we got a steeper bank over there. We got big flats over here. I like the big flats because these fish aren't going to move up and down quite as much. No wind. Time for the jig. Oh, you like that. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. You were not expecting that, were you? Who's that? Ellen Bizzle? What a jig. Let's go. Let's go. Right in the roof of the mouth. Look at that guy. He's already blind. Oh, definitely a good eatable spot. So tempting. So tempting. There we go. On the jig. They always eat the jig. No fish here. Got that one. One more. So, obviously the trailer that I had on there, it was a dead action trailer. It was a Yamamoto trailer, super heavy. I don't know if it's giving off enough action. So we're gonna try something else. See if I can find something in here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There ain't no structure besides these rocks. Topographical changes. That's a fucking long tapering point. It's pretty deep. Oh, deep pocket. I like the look of this. home to me. You are coming home to me. Yep. Good spot. On the jig again. Big fish of the day. Ow. Feel like we're at Folsom. Hoping. Nope. 12 o'clock update. Caught 7 fish. All spotted bass except one. Caught one largemouth. I think of the 6 of the 7 fish were all keepers. Caught fish on the Sack Pig Mischief 1-piece go, the ABS wrap. Caught 2 fish right away on that. Caught one on the Chopo, or hooked into one on the Chopo. Caught one on the spinnerbait. Caught 2 on the jig. And then searching for my double-digit bass. Nothing over 2 pounds, I would say. Spotted bass were not that big, so fun, definitely fun, but oh, there's another one on the spinnerbait. Oh, spotted bass, Mr. Spotted Bass, get over here. Oh, it's been slow. Fish number 8. Number 8. They're eating bait fish, yo. You got sharp lips. I love fishing. Fish number 9. Number Nina. Fix the blade. Bam, bam. Oh, there we go. There's another one. There's another one. Get over here. Number 10. Largemouth. Rapid fire. There we go. There we go. Get over here, buddy. Go in the spinnerbait. Number 11. That fish was out deeper. Okay. Still smoking it. Let me fix that so you guys can get a better look. But they're straightening it out. It's a finesse spinnerbait. I mean, that fish is a keeper, but ain't nothing crazy. He still smoked it though. Oh boy. That's a fish. There you go. I'm not sold. I'm not sold. If you want it, you would come eat it. Is all she wrote. Let's get the kayak back in the truck, make a little pit stop, and then head on home. That's all she wrote for Collins Lake. If you come to Collins Lake, you got to get the waffle cone. It's only $5. That's a pretty big ice cream. Anyway, we caught 12 or 13. I got my first 2 fish on the Sack Pig 1-piece Mischief Go. Those 2 fish absolutely destroyed that bait. All of the fish in the morning were active. In the afternoon, not so much. It was pretty much as soon as the sun came out, the fish completely died off. In the morning, caught them pretty good on topwater, caught them on the spinnerbait, and caught a couple on the jig. It was a good day. Can't complain. Coming to Collins Lake on an average to lunar period day, it was good. It actually warmed up a decent amount, and for being 70-ish degrees, it was actually pretty good. Thanks for watching. If you've watched all the way to this point in the episode, please like and subscribe. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you do subscribe to the channel, we're doing a Road to 1K giveaway, so if we hit 1,000 subscribers by October 31st, I will be giving away a pair of Costa Del Mar ring cone sunglasses, as well as 1 Sack Pig Mischief 1-piece Go. That's the ABS rat that I was throwing this morning. So please like and subscribe to the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. I'm really curious how that's gonna play out. There we go. First fish.